Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Fjall Raven Kanken laptop case for 15-inch laptops. Let's get started. Fjall Raven's Kanken line is known for their use of premium eco-friendly material, iconic design, and brand recognition in the outdoor lifestyle market. The laptop case makes no compromise with the rest of the line. It features a padded G-1000 HeavyDuty Eco S exterior and a pocket with zipper in the interior of the case, perfect for smaller accessories to be placed in. The foam padding prevents scratches and bumps on your laptop in day-to-day use. I found the overall feel of the Kanken very comfortable and easy to carry around everywhere I went. The sizing and proportions of the case fit snug in my tote, which is always a plus. The construction is pretty durable and definitely lives up to the Kanken name along with a simplistic minimalist design. The Kanken 15-inch laptop case by Fjall Raven is a worthy addition to their lineup of sustainable, high-quality bags and accessories. With a well-designed interior space and fine exterior material choice, the Kanken laptop case has become a part of my everyday carry. The Kanken 15-inch laptop case by Fjall Raven is available now in two colors, black and peach pink, and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.